Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SAT Math Question of the Day with Professor Emeritus Seth Chaiken, University of Albany, and his brother Joel Chaiken. Hello. Hey, nice wave. Okay, here we are to do a math SAT question. This is question 10 from a calculator section. And if you don't survive this video, then we'll just say our boilerplate at the beginning now that please email us your SAT math questions at satmathquestionoftheday@gmail.com. Okay, here's our question of the day. A function satisfies those two things. A function g satisfies g of 3. Okay, what is that thing? That thing meaning a composite of the two functions. This is 11th grade. You see this problem in 11th grade math. It's just a composite of functions. My attitude with these things is, well, hang up take the white flag and surrender. Surrender yourself to the rule. And my attitude is don't think too much. Just surrender yourself to the rule. Functions are rules. And right now in this problem, this is the only rule in your life. Think of it like a channel, the only rule in your life, and you just apply the rule. So, I don't know. It's f of g of 3. Okay, don't think. What is g of 3? Oh, they tell you g of 3 is 2. So that's f of 2. Okay, what's f of 2? Oh, f of 2 is 3. Done. No thinking. Just apply the rule blindly. And f of 3, these function notation thing means g of 3, means evaluate the function g when the input is 3. But they're telling you that's g of 3. Seth, what do you think? How do you think I did on that one?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, just
Yeah,
okay?
yeah. I just point
Okay,
out
then
that the data in the problem, has two items that are irrelevant to the question that it's asking.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, good point.
So you have to watch out to watch out to not get distracted by data that's not relevant to the question. Also, you don't know which of these two is relevant to the question. You don't know which of these two, the f of 2 or f of 3, is relevant until you've used the data that g of 3 is given.
Right.
And then you don't need this either.
Right.
You don't need
Yeah.
You don't need this.
Right.
And then once you found this, then that leads you to point that f of 2 is relevant and not f of 3.
Right.
So,
yeah. It's fascinating that they threw a 5 in there, thinking some people
they
think the composition is 2 plus 3.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Right.
Yeah. And then they throw the f of 3 in here because you see, you can get messed up,
messed it up.
Yeah, you can get your eyes can, you can do it wrong.
Yeah. Well, you could have taken f of 3 to get 5, and then g of 5 to get 6.
Right.
Which is different. So,
That's
G, the value of G on the value returned by f at 3 is not the same as the value of f on the value returned by g at 3. Right.
That's right.
So function, composition is not commutative the way multiplication is.
That's right. Yeah. Very much so. Very much so.
Yeah.
Okay. And you have calculator question.
Okay.
This is a distraction. The calculator's a distraction.
Oh, terrible.
Way. Calculator, this has no
ridiculous.
This has no purpose. This insults the calculator. sections.
Yeah,
It solves the other questions. And what are you doing here? What are you doing here? You don't belong here. You don't belong here. So anyway.
Well,
Okay.
if you had a programmable calculator, you might,
Yeah.
program it for F, program it for G, and then.
Yeah. Well, that's ridiculous. So okay, and then I'll just have one quick question for you. People can go if they want. Like us, dislike us. After party question. Please like us, dislike us, give us comments so that we can get feedback so we can improve these videos for you. Okay, after party.
Yeah.
Isn't there a type of function that has a name that has this quality? Isn't it like a function? I don't know. They give it a name in math.
Oh.
Like, is that the one where the inverse is equal to itself or something? I don't know.
Well, it's a function and it's function and its inverse.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's
obeys different. It's that the left inverse is the same as the right inverse.
Right. But what about this one? If you have a function g,
well, f of 2 equals 3 and f of 3 equals. Oh yeah.
Yeah. What type of function
is one
that?
of those?
That's
f of 2 equals 3, and g of. They don't tell you enough. Was it f of 2 equals 3, and g of t gives you back 2, and f of 3 equals 6. But they don't tell you about g of 6, right. So you don't know.
No. I'm saying.
But f of 3 is 5, and f of 5 is 6. Yeah. So yeah. But the thing is, these are possibly functions, but they don't tell you anything about them other than their values at two inputs.
That's not my question. My question is simple.
Yeah. F of g of x. Yeah. Sure, I understand.
No, I don't think you understand my question.
No, okay, those are two functions. Those are two functions whose composition commutes.
Yes, exactly. Okay. What is the name in math? Is there a name for two functions whose composition commutes? That's a simple question. Is there a name for that type of pair of functions? Is there a name like in angles? They're complementary. They add up to 90.
Yeah.
Is there a name for specifically when you have that? I'm just curious.
I don't think there's any name other than a pair of functions whose compositions commute.
Okay. They probably
it might be called a commuting pair.
Okay. No, they probably lead to some interesting things.
Yeah. It could be. And there are other contexts where they talk about commuting versus not commuting.
Yeah.
So it's the function defined by a function on vectors defined by matrix multiplication.
Yeah. Well, don't go there.
Right. Yeah. So if you have two functions,
don't go there.
There's a case where you get interesting examples of commuting and non-commuting functions.
Okay, fine. Okay. No, I'm just curious.
Yeah.
And then we're not going to talk about...
There are functions whose inverse is themselves.
Yeah. No, I know that. And that's a whole other...
Those are called... What are they called?
Yeah, there's a name for them. I forgot the name.
Invertible function.
Yeah, there's a name for them.
Yeah. Function is invertible. Yeah. Self-inversive.
Yeah. But we're not going to talk about that.
Yeah.
Not that it's not the level that the 11th grade, but when an inverse comes up, we could talk about that.
Inversions, I think they're called.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. 1 over f is, I think f of x is equal to 1 over x.
Yeah.
Where
or f of x equals minus x.
Yeah, f of x is minus x. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. People have probably seen that a little bit. Okay, so is that it for today?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, well, everyone have a great day. Have a great day. See you later.
Bye.